Are you ready to transform your home into a masterpiece of timeless elegance? Mid-century modern decor is not just a design trend. It's a lifestyle that blends simplicity, sophistication, and functionality. In this video, we're sharing expert tips to help you style your space with elegance, from choosing the perfect furniture to adding retro lighting and accessories. Whether you're refreshing a single room or your entire home, these ideas will help you achieve that classic mid-century modern charm with ease. So, let's dive in and create a space that feels both stylish and inviting. Mid-century modern decor has stood the test of time for a reason. It's simple, elegant, and incredibly versatile. With clean lines, natural materials, and a touch of retro flair, this design style can elevate any space, making it both functional and visually stunning. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to style your space with mid-century modern elegance. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or dining area, these tips will help you create a cohesive and sophisticated look. Let's get started. The foundation of any elegant space begins with the right color palette. Mid-century modern design is known for its earthy tones like browns, beiges, and olive greens, paired with soft neutrals like white and gray. But what truly brings the space to life are the bold retro colors, think mustard yellow, burnt orange, or teal, that can be used as accents. For example, you can paint your walls a neutral shade and introduce pops of color through cushions, rugs, or artwork. This balance between subtle and vibrant hues creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that feels effortlessly chic. Remember, the key is to keep the palette harmonious across the entire space to maintain that signature mid-century modern look. Furniture is the heart of mid-century modern decor. Opt for iconic pieces like low-profile sofas with clean lines, armchairs with tapered wooden legs, and dining tables crafted from walnut or teak. These pieces are not just functional, they're statement makers that anchor your space. For instance, in the living room, a tufted sofa paired with a geometric coffee table can create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. In the dining area, a sleek table with matching chairs instantly adds elegance. Don't forget to prioritize quality materials like wood, leather, and textured fabrics. They add warmth and authenticity to your decor. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your space. Mid-century modern decor thrives on retro-inspired lighting fixtures that are both functional and sculptural. Look for iconic arc floor lamps, pendant lights with metallic finishes, or minimalist table lamps with bold shapes. Imagine a dining area with a cluster of pendant lights hanging above the table, casting a soft glow, or a corner of your living room illuminated by a stylish floor lamp. These lighting elements not only brighten the space, but also serve as artistic accents, adding depth and sophistication. To make your space truly inviting, focus on layering textures and patterns. Rugs with geometric designs, cushions with abstract prints, and curtains in soft, textured fabrics can elevate the overall look. These elements add personality without overwhelming the minimalist vibe of mid-century modern decor. For example, place a bold patterned rug under your coffee table or add a textured throw blanket over an armchair. The key is to mix and match subtly, ensuring the textures complement the furniture and overall color palette. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring your space together. Stick to minimalist decor pieces like ceramic vases, metal sculptures, and retro-inspired clocks. Wall art, especially abstract or geometric, can serve as a focal point in any room. For instance, a large framed art piece above a sideboard or sofa adds visual interest without cluttering the space. Remember, less is more. Choose a few standout accessories rather than overcrowding the room, maintaining the clean and elegant aesthetic. No mid-century modern space is complete without a touch of greenery. Indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs, monstera, or succulents not only add life to the space, but also create a natural contrast against the clean lines of the furniture. Place a large potted plant in an empty corner or smaller plants on sideboards and coffee tables. The greenery complements the earthy tones and organic materials typical of mid-century modern decor, adding freshness and vibrancy to your home. Symmetry is a hallmark of mid-century modern design. Arrange furniture and decor elements in a balanced way to create a harmonious look. For example, position 2 matching armchairs on either side of a coffee table or pair a bed with identical nightstands and lamps. Balanced layouts not only look visually pleasing, but also make the space feel more organized and cohesive. Experiment with symmetry in every room to achieve a polished, elegant appearance. Art plays a vital role in mid-century modern decor. Abstract paintings, geometric prints, and vintage art pieces can enhance the aesthetic and add personality to your space. Choose artwork that complements your color palette and decor theme for a seamless look. For example, a large abstract painting above the sofa or a gallery wall in the dining area can become the highlight of the room. Use art to express your personality while staying true to the mid-century modern style. Styling your space with mid-century modern decor is all about combining timeless elegance with functional design. From choosing the right furniture and lighting to adding textures, accessories, and greenery, every detail contributes to creating a harmonious and sophisticated home. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.